Get ready to elevate your dinner game with this ultimate corn chowder. It's packed with hearty chicken, crispy bacon, tender potatoes, vibrant red bell peppers, onion, garlic, and it's got a creamy roux. This dish is more than a soup, it's a full balanced meal in a bowl. I'll go ahead and list the ingredients in the comments because some of you have said that you prefer it that way, but I'll also have the link for the printed version on my website, YouGottaMakeThis.net. Okay, so you want to get out everything and get everything prepped. You want a 32-ounce box of chicken broth, 1 cup of chopped chicken breast, which is 2 chicken tenders or 1/2 pound of chicken breast, 1/2 of red bell pepper diced for 1/2 cup, 1/2 of a yellow onion minced for 1/2 cup, 2 russet potatoes peeled and cubed, a 12-ounce bag of frozen corn, and go ahead and get this out ahead of time before you start chopping so it has time to thaw a little, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 3 strips of bacon cooked and crumbled, 2 full green onions chopped, that's the white part and the green part, 1 packed tablespoon of finely minced garlic, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Okay, you're going to want to cook the bacon before the chicken, and a great tip for evenly crispy bacon is to cut the 3 strips into squares if you have clean kitchen shears, and don't forget to sanitize them afterwards. Then, of course, fry until beautifully crispy, blot, and crumble. Okay, now in those amazing bacon drippings, you're going to brown the chicken tenders. So salt and pepper them on both sides and remove them from the pan as soon as they hit an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit and cover them. You can leave these covered for longer than 5 minutes while you start the soup. But once they're fully rested and you're ready for them, slice them across the grain and chop them. Now here's where it all comes together. Over medium heat, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Stir in the garlic and the minced onion and stir 1 minute just until translucent. Then sprinkle in the 2 tablespoons of flour and blend well. Cook for 1 minute until bubbly. Add the chicken stock and stir. Once blended, add the cubed potatoes and cook them by boiling until fork tender. You don't want them to cook so long that they get mushy. So then add the corn and the chicken and the red bell peppers and stir until the bell peppers are tender. Add the bacon, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and always taste before, but I add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the cream and stir until everything is steamy. Taste one last time to see if you want to add more salt and pepper, which will depend on the sodium content in the ingredients you used and your personal preferences. Lastly, stir in the green onions and serve. All of these ingredients taste so incredible together in each bite and every spoonful. It's creamy and filling, yet somehow light and leaves you feeling healthy and satisfied. And you gotta make this. Please give me a thumbs up, and to see all of my videos, don't forget to click subscribe.